Hello future toppers, let's make maths simple, intuitive and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says dy by dx equals to xy by x square plus y square, y of 1 is equal to 1, then the value of x satisfying this equation. So you have to find out the value of x for which y is this. Okay, now so first we have to solve this function. So you know that you cannot apply variable separable method. You cannot apply first filter of variable separable method dy by dx equals to linear function. You cannot apply second filter of variable separable method, that is linear by linear. You cannot convert your question into x dx plus minus y dy polar form. So variable separable method is not applicable over here. Then we have linear differential equation dy by dx plus y times p of x is equal to q of x. You cannot write that thing either. You cannot convert it into reducible to linear differential equation. So we have to rely on homogeneous differential equation. So if you'll observe, the degree of this element is 2, this element is 2, this element is 2. So every element is carrying 2 power. So we can think of homogeneous differential equation. So look at this, how I will approach. So we have dy by dx is equal to xy by x square plus y square. You know that for homogeneous differential equation we used to do nothing, just replace y with vx, do the differentiation. So we got dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So we have to apply these replacements. Okay, so we got v plus x dv by dx is equal to, now in place of y we will write vx, so vx square upon x square v square x square. So if you'll take x square common, you can neutralize. We will be left with v by 1 plus v square. Is that okay? I hope the idea is clear. Now we will apply variable separable method, means we will send this v to that side. So we are left with x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square, here we have v, and then that will have minus v. So we will take LCM, minus v will become minus v into 1 minus v, and then minus v cube. So this thing gone. Now look at this, what will happen. So we will segregate each of them. So we got 1 plus v square by v cube is equal to minus dx by x, and we have dv over here. Okay, you can also write this question as v power minus 3, we have to segregate them, 1 by v dv is equal to minus of dx by x. Now integrate both of them. So we got v power minus 2 by minus 2 plus log v is equal to minus log x plus integration constant c. You can update this thing. We can write log v, in place of v can I write y by x? So we got y by x. Okay, minus it is 1 by 2, and then v square. So can I write y square by x square? Okay, now is equal to minus of log x plus integration constant c. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Okay, now look at this. can I break down this function as log y minus log x minus x square by 2y square minus log x plus integration constant c, this thing gone. So we are left with log y minus x square by 2y square equals to c. Now we have to find out the value of integration constant c. So we will get that thing by using this idea. So we have to replace x and y with 1. So if you'll replace y with 1, log 1 will become 0. So c will become minus of 1 by 2. So can I write down the final function as log y minus x square by 2y square is equal to minus of 1 by 2. Okay, so I can send this thing that side. So we will be having log y is equal to x square by 2y square minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is our required function. Now we have to find what? We have to find x for which y will become e. So in place of y we will be writing e. Okay, so ln e is 1 is equal to x square 2e square minus 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 will be sent this side. So it will become 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 x square by 2e square. This thing gone. So x square will become 3 times e square. So who is x? X will become root 3 times e plus or minus. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.